Mwandiki munene kiri ministry ya Kîthomo kiote Stamoria na atetere THIRIKARI nontu ba MUTATARA JUMWERU jua uriiba BICI akiaria kagitaga gwikirwa thumbi kwa ARITWA ndene skuru ya MERU University augite mubango juju ejire kenda gutigira ARITWA baria baumite nje itigu chumba nibakugwata utethio bwakung'ana bwa Kîthomo nkuruki ARITWA 3,000 ba skuru ya MERU University nibekiri thumbi kiri MAMBURA jaja mukirimithika na chionkurukia
Kaitene karwariro mutaratara JUMWERU yakoyana kigina kia mathomo ya university yoitete na mbere kuwata monki PSO mathomo ya kiubundi note Stamoria na theterete thirikari akiwa nigeria ria uria kuthia murio yo ngarame mathomo ya.
The model is designed to make higher education more affordable, accessible and equitable, especially for students from low-income households. The new funding approach moves from a one-size-fits-for-all model towards a more targeted and needs-based framework. Students will be classified into different categories so that we ensure that no one is left behind, but inclusivity must be ensured in the education system.
Okaitene kawa witiba utiumiotiira mirandi yo thundhuria ni kuonera ARITWA na nthuki mbeta kenda kunyihia murio yo kwaga ngui muno ateatika nthuki mbithi.
And we must improve university industry linkages so that innovative research translates into practical application that benefits society. However, there is often a gap between academic research and industry needs. Strengthening these partnerships will require enhanced dialogue, funding, and collaboration. Nevertheless, I am confident that by improving infrastructure and increasing support for research projects, universities will continue to be the hubs of innovation.
Let's check what has happened in the last few years. And over the past 3 years, we have expanded our reach beyond borders, sending our students to life-exchanging programs in places like Netherlands, Japan, Italy, Canada, China, Slovenia, among many other places. We have not only enriched their education, but has also opened their hearts and minds to new culture and possibilities. But even as we go out, we have also seen an increasement, almost to exponential increase of the inflow of foreign students coming for short stay study here.
Bakiaria gitara graduation ya 12 sukuru ya MERU University na arana nkuruki 3,000 baikiri thumbi chancellor sukuru epita ndegwa na inyiletio batu banthuki mbithe kuibithiria nguo kulukira mitandao irakuwa injuku enje aburu etwanya twangui.
This is an incredibly fast growing phase of our industry, of industry in general, that is characterized by new technologies such as Internet of Things, artificial intelligence, cloud computing, amongst others. And this is not just about the industry that I operate in. These technologies are influencing all industries, whether this in agriculture, in health, in education, in logistics and operations. Internet of Things, AI, is really transforming how this industry are operating. And regardless of your course of study, you notice as you get into the working chapter of your life, these technologies will influence how well you do out there.
Digital learning platforms are revolutionizing education and making it more interactive. However, ICT integration is though a tremendous advantage in preparing students for a rapidly evolving job market, it also presents challenges, particularly around infrastructure and digital literacy. Some regions still lack reliable access to internet, and there is need for comprehensive digital training for both students and educators. And the government of Kenya is actively looking into this.
Mkiripotera Weru TV kuma Tiania, Beta wa Mukiri wa Mithika.